Dear students, today we are going to discuss uh, lesson 10, the last part of lesson 10, the price of bananas. If you remember, a mischievous monkey had snatched the embroidered cap of a businessman. A fruit vendor came forward to help him. By offering 2 bananas to the monkey, the fruit vendor got back the cap and gave it back to Setji. But when the fruit vendor requested the Sergi to give him the price of the 2 bananas, which he had used to coax the monkey, the Sergi flatly refused to give him the money. Other passengers of the compartment requested the Sergi to give him the money, so the Sergi gave him only 1 anna for the bananas. The price of the 2 bananas was 2 annas, but he offered only 1 anna. That means this man was a miser, Kripon, and he had not an iota of gratefulness in him. তার মধ্যে কৃতজ্ঞতার বিন্দুমাত্রও ছিল না. He even did not thank the vendor. He also offered only 4 annas to the porter, and the porter also protested because he had carried such heavy luggage for him. What did the Sergi say? Look at page 78. Go, crook, Sergi thundered at the protesting porter. Crook means a dishonest person. The Sergi called the porter a dishonest person and asked him to go away. We know who dishonest was. Actually, the Sergi himself was dishonest, but he called the porter dishonest. The porter left, that means he went away. The fruit vendor persisted. To persist means to say again and again. There is another word called thunder. To thunder means to shout at, chitkar kore bola. The fruit vendor persisted. That means he did not give up. He continued his protests. Sergi, be just. Just means one who gives justice. I saved your honorable cap. The businessman threw an anna towards him on the platform. In reply, the Sergi gave the fruit vendor only 1 anna. The guard's whistle blew. The train was about to depart. Depart means to leave. Now the train was about to leave the station. The vendor looked in through the compartment window. Sergi, do not rob the poor. To rob means to take away forcibly. Chiniye newa. Also to deceive, to cheat, protarona kora. The porter urged the businessman not to cheat him because the price of the 2 bananas was 2 annas and he had offered him only 1 anna. Ja, take rest. The Sergi scowled at him. To scowl means to look angrily at someone. The Sergi looked angrily at the fruit vendor and ordered him to go away. The train had begun to move. The fruit vendor first ran along with it, then got onto the footstep and clung to the window, pleading. To cling means to catch hold of tightly. The fruit vendor got hold of the window tightly and he was pleading. That means he was requesting the Sergi. But Sergi had turned his head away. He was looking out of the window at the goods train on the other side. The Sergi did not take any notice of the fruit vendor who was hanging from the moving train. He looked at the goods train, a train that carries goods, malgari dike takiye roilen. The train had passed the whole length of the platform and the frustrated vendor finally dropped off. Now the train was about to leave the platform, so the vendor understood that if he still clung to it, he would fall and die. So what did the vendor do? He finally dropped off. That means he ultimately again jumped onto the platform. He was frustrated. He was disappointed. Hotash. Sergi turned round to all of us and began to justify himself. If he did not want to help me to get my cap back, he should not have offered the monkey the bananas. I did not ask him to help. Now the Sergi tried to justify himself. তিনি নিজের কৃতকর্মের একটা যুক্তি খুঁজছেন. He deep in his heart he knew that he had done something wrong. হৃদয়ের গভীরে তিনি জানতেন তিনি অন্যায় করেছেন। দ্যাটস ওয়াই হি ওয়াজ সিকিং সাম জাস্টিফিকেশন ফ্রম দ্য কো প্যাসেঞ্জার্স। সহযাত্রীদের কাছ থেকে কিছুটা সমর্থন চাইছেন। হি টোল্ড দ্য কো প্যাসেঞ্জার্স দ্যাট দ্য ফ্রুট ভেন্ডার হিমসেলফ হ্যাড কাম ফরওয়ার্ড টু হেল্প হিম। ও তো নিজেই আমাকে সাহায্য করতে এসেছিল। অ্যান্ড ইফ হি হ্যাড কাম টু হেল্প মি হি শুড not ask for the price of the bananas. We understand that it is a very hollow logic. এটা একটা অত্যন্ত ফাঁপা যুক্তি, but that was the logic of the dishonest businessman. I felt that all the other passengers had sympathy for the poor vendor. Sympathy means fellow feeling. All other passengers sympathized with the vendor because they understood that the vendor was poor and he had tried to help the rich Sergi, but the Sergi had treated the vendor in a very bad manner. The whole amusing episode had ended in a bitter sense of grievance against the rich businessman. Amusing means funny. The episode, that means the whole matter, the whole incident had started as a funny affair. এটা মজা দিয়ে আরম্ভ হয়েছিল, the monkey snatching the cap of the businessman, but ultimately it ended in a bitter grievance. Grievance means complaint. It was a complaint against the businessman who had been so hard to the generous-hearted fruit vendor. Generous-hearted means kind. The kind fruit vendor had been treated very badly by the businessman. The businessman had been hard to him. To be hard to someone means to treat someone in a very bad manner, to treat someone rudely, rudo acharon kora. I drew a cartoon of the Sergi and showed my drawing to all the other passengers except him. Now the writer wanted to take revenge on the Sergi. Sergiর উপর তিনি প্রতিশোধ নিতে চাইলেন. So what did he draw? He drew a cartoon of the Sergi. A cartoon means a funny picture. He drew a funny picture of the Sergi and showed it to all other passengers in the compartment except the Sergi. Sergi ছাড়া সবাইকে দেখালেন. Everyone laughed. The more we laughed, the Sergi became the more uncomfortable. All the passengers were laughing to see the funny picture. The Sergi could not understand why everyone was laughing. He did not know that he was the butt of ridicule. তিনি যে উপহাসের পাত্র তিনি সেটা বুঝতে পারেননি. That's why he felt very uncomfortable, and that was the punishment that the writer gave the Sergi. So here we find that a very funny episode ultimately turned into a very sad episode. It had begun on a note of amusement. এটা মজা দিয়ে আরম্ভ হয়েছিল, but ultimately it ended in grievance against the businessman. Grievance means complaint. The businessman, the rich businessman, was dishonest. He had treated the vendor and the porter very badly, and the writer tried to take revenge on this man. He tried to teach him a lesson, and he drew a funny picture of that man and showed it to other passengers. The other passengers laughed, and that was the punishment that the businessman had to suffer. So we have finished lesson 10. Homework, page 80, page 81, exercise 1, 2 and 3. So do it and I will send you the answers. Thank you.